How to watch live video on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you how to watch live videos on Instagram and find those exciting broadcasts. Now, first of all, open your Instagram app and then click on the name of the person that you want to watch the live video of. For example, I want to watch live video of this channel. So I click on it and then you'll see a bell button on the top right beside the three vertical dots. You'll see a bell button beside the three horizontal dots. Before clicking on it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. So click on the bell and then you'll see a broadcast channel option. What you have to do is you have to toggle it on and then you'll see live videos option. Just click on it and then click on get all notifications. Now Instagram will automatically send notifications about live videos that may interest you. But you can also choose to get a notification when this profile starts a live video or to be notified when they go live. So like this, you can turn on the notifications of people that you want to watch live videos of, and then you'll be notified of the live videos. Or you can even just go to the search and then search for the person that you want to watch the videos of and then see if they are running live videos or not. And that's it for today's content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.